How does traveling change?
Traveling change yung... Alam mo talaga, napaka-importante ko talaga ng travel. Kasi it educates you eh. Talagang natututo ka sa kultura ng tao, sa tradition nila, tapos sa kind of foods that they eat, and then yung inuugali nila, yung mga ethics nila, yung morality nila, yung outlook nila sa buhay na ano mo eh, nalalaman mo eh. So, nagko-compare mo kung ano tayo sa kanila eh. So, there's always something that you can always be thankful about. And there's always something na, naku, buti na lang, buti na lang napuntahan ko to. Otherwise, alam mo yung gano'n. Dream car, kung ako, hindi ako nagdadrive pero kung magdadrive ako, I like Lotus, Porsche, and siguro, sports car na DM or
Or if you're going to choose travel or cars?
travel. More sa travel, kasi hindi ako nagdadrive eh. Pero if ever given a chance, mag-drive ako mag-drive. Of course, sports car.
You've been with the band for more than 7 years. So, what have you learned from your band?
Ako, ang dami. Actually, na-improve ko ang writing capabilities. Kasi na-expose nila ako sa talaga mga banda na talaga alam mo yun, kumbaga, pagdating doon, iba yung writing nila eh. Yung style nila, talagang grabe, pang major league. na kumbaga, wow. Though, syempre, kumbaga, I really admire lang